guys, well, I am trying out a luxury bus today. Well, alright, it's business class and it's okay. It's okay. It's quite nice. It's very clean. I've taken the bus with Faisal Movers from Islamabad to Faisalabad, and we're about halfway through. The bus is super economical because the only way to get between the points, I didn't want to fly, that's too much of a pain in the rear. So it would either be a car and driver situation or the bus. And since I want to try a couple of the different bus providers so I can give some good feedback, we're doing that today.
Don't stop, turn off the lights. Nauseous when I wake up. Don't quit, I fell for you. Don't break it in two. Long time before I knew us two would follow through. Hold out, don't give it up. Good things can come to those who wait. 'Cause you make me feel like this is for real, and I want you till dreams grow on the moon. If you're a falling star, I wanna fall with you. I want you till it falls out the sun. It's standing up for you. It's standing up for you. It's standing up. It's standing up for you. Standing up. Standing up for you. Break down when we're apart. Too far, I'm in the dark. Now don't fall. My foolish.
Hey guys, so there's entertainment on board, and they'll give you a headset if you don't have a plug-in headset, which I switched over to Beats wireless, so I don't. So we're almost halfway through, so I think we're about to stop at a rest stop, and they said we'd be there 30 minutes at the rest stop, and then carry on for a 4 p.m. arrival at Faisalabad. Of course, everything's in Urdu. I wasn't thinking. So I put the headset on. I was ready to watch a movie. There's no subtitles, so yeah, I'm just gonna try and Netflix it here on my phone, I think.
Standing up. Standing up for you. Standing up. Standing up for you. And all I need is reassurance. All for you. Long time. All for you. I want you till dreams grow on the moon. You're a falling star. I wanna
We're now stopped at the rest stop. Our bus parked back here. There's some local snacky bits, but I'm at 30% on my laptop, so I'm gonna try and find some place to plug in for a few minutes. I think I just spit. And yeah, I don't really care if I eat or drink because I'm on my way to the Serena, and at Serena they're gonna take care of me and I'll meet the chef and all of that, so I know I'm in good hands later. But I'll show you around a little bit. They do have really yummy snacks back there, and then everything I see here is kind of bigger brands, so not very interesting. But yeah, I'll check out the restrooms too and give you feedback. Hopefully there's a Western toilet in there and not all squatties, but let's see. Okay guys, so the place that I thought I was going to be able to recharge my laptop did not work out. I didn't bring an adapter and they didn't have one either. So I've come to the place that's just outside the bus where all the locals flocked to right when we got off. And I have a chicken roll, which is going to be a little bit difficult to eat and hold, but let's try. So I have a chicken roll and I bought a bottle of water as well. and that was 250 rupees. So, let's see. Looks pretty good. It's nice, not spicy. A little bit spicy, but it's good. They also are making grilled chicken here, which I find amazing because in other countries, okay, not Malaysia and places like that, they have the best rest stops in the world. But US, you would never find a rest stop that has like grilled chicken being made right in front of you live. It's really wonderful. I think I'll have to do a rest stop video at some point because I love this stuff. Okay guys, we made it to Faisalabad about 10 minutes late, so that's not too bad. And it's crazy here already, and we've gone like a kilometer. The horns are honking everywhere. It's people going through intersections. It's like, wow. This is gonna be really fun for the next 3 days. But the bus was great. It's super efficient. Where it stopped was fabulous. Got refueled, recharged. Well, not recharged, but refueled. And yeah, totally worth it. Faisal Movers, I'd recommend them.